Good morning and welcome back to the channel, and today you join us in the Universal Studios car park, or parking lot to you Americans. Anywho, we're heading in and we're going to have a look around both parks today, and then Halloween Horror Nights later on. Whoop whoop, chicken soup. As we walk through City Walks, it looks like it's going to be a busy day in the parks. And we've decided to start our day off in Islands of Adventure. And just like that, we are in. And as the sign above the bridge says, the adventure begins. I think it's time for the Velocicoaster. And yes, I'm scared. Very, 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 very scared. Well, we've done Velocicoaster for our very first time, and oh my god, best roller coaster ever. So because we use a ride access pass, we didn't see any of the queue, so they gave us another pass so we can see things like this and show you guys. God, we got raptors! It's a good job there, chained up, Ellie. Yep. So yeah, that has to be the best roller coaster ever. Ever, 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 ever. And I think it's time for food, and since it's National Burger Day, I'm gonna have a burger. Cheeseburger. So that's us refueled with food, and time to head to Hogwarts. Or Hogsmeade. Hogsmeade. Oh, it's snowing at 32 degrees. Time for a butterbeer. Nice. Is that good?
Yes, it is. It's butterbeer.
Well, it kind of looks like I've lost my butterbeer.
Yeah. Differentiated our God. Very cool. And your favourite spell? We can't leave Levy. It's a levitating charm. It's a really good charm to have, right? I thought maybe you would say something like gorgeous mind, but that's not really boring. A clean charm, yeah. It's not really good to have.
Well, we just rode the Harry Potter ride, Forbidden Journey, and yeah, I don't know why I put myself through that, because it makes me sick every time. So now I don't feel too good, and if you're my size or bigger, think twice, because it really is tight on the seats. I literally just fitted on that ride.
Bass notes were spot on. Well, I bet we have some Quidditch fans in the crowd. Quidditch, anyone? Wonderful. Well, for those of you who are unaware, Quidditch is the most popular sport in the Wizarding World, and we do hope you enjoy our final song, the Quidditch World Cup. For a photograph here on the platform. If you'd like to get your camera.
Here comes a Velocicoaster. Well, it's getting real hot now. I've had to put some sun cream on the head. It's starting to burn, and it feels like temperature of 33 degrees Celsius. Ouch, yes. So we're now heading back into Hogsmeade because we got a return time for Hagrid's, and that return time is up in about 10 minutes time. So yeah, let's go. Well, that's Hagrid's done, and we're heading towards the Jurassic Park. Is it Jurassic Park or Jurassic World? Jurassic Park River Adventure. Unfortunately, you can't really film on the rides at Universal, so that's why I'm just telling you about them afterwards. Yeah, let's go. Well, that's one way to get refreshed. Go on that ride and you'll get soaked. But it's really, really welcome on a day like this where we've been sweating. Here they come. Oh my God, it's getting hot now. We have a feels like temperature of 34 degrees Celsius. 31 in the shade. Wow, look at these tall ladies.
Have a good day. I know what. Have a great one. Try not to miss us too much.
And that will just about do it for today from Islands of Adventure. We're going to head on over to Universal Studios now, which will be in tomorrow's video for Halloween Horror Nights. So I shall see you all tomorrow, which is really just in like a couple hours for us. And now it's time to do your job.